Hi all, and welcome back to the vlog. It's a new week, it's a new day. All outside so black. Like, oh my god, rain's on the ball. What is outside? Rain, and more rain. Level wind. Ain't that interesting? So yeah, as you can see, rain is falling. The place is dark. Right now I stand up in front of the door. If I was to go back here, I can't see nothing because the place is dark with the start of rain that looking to start here. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to do this week. Most likely this week is going to be a chill week, filled with organizing things for when the books reach so I can get it out to you all. So yeah, so if anything else comes up, I thought, oh, we got vegetables from my vegetable person. I had to take them out of this bag. So we get pak choy, pineapple, broccoli, lime. This is plum. This looking like plum or cheddar. Shadow belly, mango. So yeah, we got a few things from him today, so I need to go and put them thing in the fridge. And yeah, the same thing, comes up, I would let you all know. Today I'm supposed to get my packages. So I supposed to, well, that's on City Post decided thing now. With all this rain, I've not ever won. But I'm supposed to get my package from Aberdeen Chic Boutique. My package from Met Wholesale, which is some of the things that I need for when the books reach to package myself. And I ordered a protein shake and a collagen supplement thing as well. That should be coming today, not too sure. But yeah, if those things come, then you'll always see it. Boom, bang, bang. So yeah, let me go and get back to what I was doing. So the goods have been received. The goods have been received. If I do say so myself, real good customer service. This was like real quick delivery because I ordered this yesterday afternoon, about after 4, and we here today. Not even my full 24 hours after, like that we call customer service. So yeah, so this is what says bought. So I got the USN Zero Carb ISO Pro 100% whey protein isolate in the flavor vanilla ice cream. Hey! Was it? In the flavor vanilla ice cream. And it was a bundle deal. And I was looking for collagen, so I was too happy when I saw it was a bundle deal. I got the collagen peptides, hydrolyzed type 1 and 3 collagen, unflavored supplement as well. So on today's menu is basmati rice with pak choy. Now I know all of you are saying, Gabby, you go and cook 2 bundles of pak choy. Yes, I am, because when it's steamed down, it has come down to like little and nothing. So yeah. So basmati rice and the pak choy. I was starting to do some pumpkin. I said like make like the pumpkin like what you eat in I don't know if it's called a pumpkin choker. I have no idea, but I'm not too sure. I feel so, I just need to hurry a quick pot. So yeah, that's the meal for today. Alright, so the rice is there going. I have my little you call them thing, onion caramelizing there. I chop up 1 bundle. I next bundle to chop up, and yeah. My sis needed to do 2 bundles of pak choy. Look at it, come down. It is coming to little anything, but it tastes so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now I didn't add nothing to this besides onion, but you could add like carrot, pimento, sweet peppers. You could put on meat with it too, but you know me, that's a no. So yeah, real easy and simple. Bon appetit, bon appetit. That is pepper sauce all is in there. Boom bang bang, boom bang bang. Sis is gonna eat chow. You all can smell how the thing smells. It smells so good for tasting. I'm watching Jacob and Leslie. Today's baby on board there. So it's season 3, episode 9. Boom bang. So yeah, I'm going to eat my chow and finish watching their video and come back to the right now finish. So yeah. So I come back to a new day. So I just finished exercising. So I'm going to make my protein shake. So what I'll be doing is using so 1 scoop of this and 1 scoop of this because you could add it with your shake. So you can mix it with your daily coffee, shake or smoothie. You can eat it at a pancake mix or yogurt or oatmeal, and you can bake it with your cookies and muffins and whatever else. So it will be 1 scoop of this, 1 scoop of this, and some water. I want to taste it like on its own first, and then I'll know if I need to either use milk or like put a banana or something. So let me go.
And another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Listen. Alright, so today's it here. Everything looks nice and normal. So let's see how it tastes. Lord Jesus. Well, I know the collagen don't have no taste, but the protein shake is a vanilla, so. Okay, not that bad, but. It's very creamy. It's not too bad. It have like a slight aftertaste. But it's not too bad. Like the aftertaste not as bad as the one that I had before. Before the aftertaste was like, woo child. That was the green one. I can't remember the name of that protein, but it's not too bad. If I really want to like get rid of it, all I do is add a banana. And I'll be fine. Sis got her 2 packages that she's been waiting on. So this one is from Avena's Chic Boutique, and this one is 1 set of the packaging for my books, for my business. And realize the Sky paper over there, like that's the Sky paper. So yes, things started to come in, all your things started to come in. So yes, I'll be doing a dedicated like try on haul with this package, and you will see what's inside of here. When I get the rest of the packaging and I go through like inventory and stuff. So yeah. Hi babes. Okay, so I'm coming to end off this week's vlog. Oh, watch my head. I have a review coming on what I used to do this in my head, although I mean it's nice and defined from what I'm seeing, you know. The definition is there and stuff, but sis, if I know how my hair feeling, like it's feeling like straw. But anyways, so I came to end of this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next one.